Has this ever happened to you that you just built a feature and your clients wants to see it right away, but localhost does not work outside your machine? Hence, instead of configuring servers, trying to set up Nginx, we do the tunnel method. Let's see how it works. The easiest way to execute this is using Cloudflare. Hit Windows plus R on your keyboard. This little window pops up. Type CMD, hit enter. Wait for it. For Windows, type in the given command. I will give you the command in the description. No worries, lads. Since I already have it installed, I am not going to do it again. Instead, I will tell you how to verify it. For verifying if Cloudflare tunnel has been installed successfully, you need to run the command cloudflare version. Seeing the version, it's verified that it has been installed successfully. To create a tunnel, first we need to run the app on our machine. Let's begin with starting our app. Let me first cd into my front end. Now I start the server. I am using Next.js, therefore, for my project. The local server will execute at npm run dev. Let's wait for the server to be fully rendered. Once the server starts, we head to our CMD or the command prompt. As you can see, our server has started. In our command prompt, we put the command cloudflare tunnel double hyphen URL and your port link. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. In the logs, you will get a secure HTTPS link. Go to the link and you could see the app visible to everyone. Voila, we just built our own very first tunnel for staging updates. Remember, when you start the server on your local machine, the staging server or the tunnel also shuts down with it. Also, never forget to hit Ctrl plus C once you are done with your tunnel. This is just one of the many ways that you can use for tunneling. For more such content, stay tuned.